Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial we will create the fixture assembly. For that I open the Solidworks assembly environment. Now select insert component. First of all I insert the fixture base. Select open. Select OK. Again I select insert component and I select all the components. Here I am not selecting the fixture base because I already open it in assembly. Now select open. Now select mate. Select this clamping bolt, this face and this face. Made concentric. Select OK. Select this face and this face. Coincident. Select OK. Now select spring. Select this circle and select this clamping bolt surface. Select concentric. Select OK. Now select mate. Select this face of spring and this face. Select OK. Now select this face and this face. Concentric. Select OK. Now I select this face and this face. Now I select this face and this face. Select parallel. I select this face of lever with cam and select this face. Make cause incident. Select this face and this face. Concentric. Now select this pin. Select this face. Concentric. Select OK. Now select mate. Go to advanced mate. Select width mate. Select this face and this face. In tab selection, select this face and this face. Select OK. Now select this face and this face. Select coincident. Select OK. Now select this face and this face. Concentric. Select OK. Select OK. Press and hold control button. Press left click button. Select this circlip and drag here. Now here are two number of circlips. Now select mate. Select this face and this face. Coincident. Select this face and this face. Concentric. Select OK. Select this. Now select this face, this part, and from here view mates. Select this coincident mate. Delete it. Select yes. Now select this knob. From here move component, drag down the menu, rotate component and rotate it here. Select OK. Select mate. Select this face and this face. Concentric. Select OK. Now select this face and this face. coincident, select OK. Now select this washer, select this face and this face, concentric, select OK, select this face and this face, coincident, select OK. Press and hold control button, select this washer and drag it here. Now here are two number of washers, move it down. Now select this mate, select this washer face and select this face, concentric, select this face and this face, coincident, select this face and select this spring face, coincident, select OK. Now go to design library, go to toolbar, here select IS standard, I select nut, hex nut, hexagon, flange nut, select and drag here. Here is M16, select OK. Again select cancel it. Now select mate, select this face and this face, concentric, select OK, select this face and this face, coincident, select OK. Now fixture assembly is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.